Imagine unlocking the secrets of successful entrepreneurs and marketers, all in one place. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how GetSorted can transform your business journey. GetSorted is a treasure trove of digital products, specifically WSO, Warrior Special Offer, products, created by top internet marketers and entrepreneurs. These WSO products cover a wide range of topics, from online business and marketing strategies to SEO and social media. By accessing GetSorted, you can learn from professionals who have achieved remarkable results in their fields. The platform offers ebooks, video tutorials, software tools, and other resources to help you enhance your skills and knowledge. Whether you're starting an online business or looking to improve your marketing strategies, GetSorted has something valuable for you. One of the standout features of GetSorted is the quality of content provided by skilled professionals passionate about sharing their knowledge. The community aspect of GetSorted is another massive benefit, allowing you to connect with like-minded individuals on a path to improvement. Discussion boards and forums create a collaborative learning environment where ideas can be shared and perspectives widened. GetSorted has become an integral part of many users' growth journeys, providing practical knowledge and personal connections. The platform's extensive courses and training programs have a direct impact on users' performance and growth. GetSorted's broad range of subjects, from marketing strategies to personal development, allows users to broaden their horizons. The digital marketplace has evolved rapidly, and GetSorted encapsulates this evolution by offering a system that interlinks many online applications and sites. This system enables business owners to connect with customers, enhance products and services, and grow their businesses effectively. GetSorted is not just a trendy term, it's a philosophy that any business can apply for positive results. Integrating AI technologies and data mining can help marketers target advertisements more effectively. Entrepreneurs with a positive GetSorted attitude can find ways to expand their businesses through new ideas and improved operations. For course creators, GetSorted offers advanced and unique learning experiences through technology integration. AI tools enhance the personalization of learning, allowing for continuous improvement of courses. As courses become more appealing, the potential for student enrollment and revenue increases. Data-driven decision-making is a core principle of GetSorted, helping entrepreneurs make strategic decisions. Gathering and applying data reduces risk and increases the chances of achieving the right results. Scalability is a key factor in digital business, and GetSorted helps create scalable business models. Effective business operations don't require proportional resource growth, thanks to technological applications like cloud computing. Personalization sets a business apart, creating a competitive advantage through customer closeness. Exploring new revenue streams is essential for digital entrepreneurs, and GetSorted provides a structure for these opportunities. Diversifying revenues and seeking new opportunities are key to staying afloat and succeeding. Constant learning and staying updated with industry trends are imperative in the 21st century. Managing innovation and risk effectively allows businesses to pursue new initiatives without jeopardizing sustainability. GetSorted offers a one-stop solution for digital entrepreneurs, course creators, and business innovators. Endless possibilities await those who place data, technology, and community at the center of their business dealings. Never stop seeking new opportunities to learn and advance. GetSorted is your partner in navigating the modern digital world. Keep growing, keep succeeding.